Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
It's only 8 o'clock. Hello? Every time. Never get these to work. Grand. Makes me look stupid. Right, I'm going to have a quick look around the swimming pools, and the restaurant, and the hotel. Just go for a quick walk. I'm a bit hungry to be honest, so I've got a lot of strength in my legs. Here is the restaurant. I've not paid for breakfast, not because I'm tired, it's just I never do. Sometimes you don't feel like it, or you get up late or whatever. But there's your breakfast times. There's some funny noises going in there. You can sit outside on a little patio. There's 2 swimming pools in this hotel. This is the lobby. This is one pool, and the second one through here. I'm not a swimming sort of person. Not really bother me going in a pool. Not with this belly. There's a bit of a view of the rooms, and at the bottom is a small gym. Decent hotel, decent so far. It's a lovely morning. There's a laundry lady here, which I will bring the rest of my laundry. I'll have to go on Soi Lenkee. So there is the external shot folk hotel. My room is up there somewhere. I think it's a top 4th floor on the end. So if you're passing, give us a wave. Right, I'm going to head now to Soi Lenkee, maybe down Soi Tayapoon. I want to get a few supplies for my room. I'll get back and then I will contact the Rabadab and see how he's getting on and go for some breakfast. It's nice and quiet now. Another view of the hotel. I think from what I'm up there. That room up there. I'm not now because I'm here, but that's where I'm stopping up there. Sorry, cab. So we're heading out onto Soi Lenkee. Got some laundry to pick up later on, but I probably won't get it today because we're heading to Soi 6 this afternoon. So I'll have to get it tomorrow. It's nice and quiet. Beautiful day. If the guy's selling these snacks on Soi Lenkee, I'm going to buy some. It's like coconut balls. But I bought them last time from over them towards Soi Lenkee area. And I might have a walk there another morning and get some. It was absolutely delicious. Yeah, so first night last night with Rab. He'll be alright. He'll be alright. He's not a fool, he's a wise guy. He knows what he's doing in life. and relationships and whatever, but obviously it's brand new for him out here. He's going to make mistakes, but he will enjoy himself. Sawadee Kap, Sabadi Mai. But he was a bit taken aback at some of the things last night, and it was closed, technically. Closed at 6 o'clock, so you want to see when it's open. So I'm looking forward to seeing his face on Soi 6 today. I'll try and get a bit of footage. He's a good sport, he's willing to be on camera. A nice early morning shot of Soi Bacau. Just been approached off at Lady Boy. Where am I going? So I'm going for my breakfast. So down here is Soy Tayapoon. Back to Soi Bacau. Now if you remember when I was here in November, they was working on this. I had a bit of a walkthrough because I once stayed in this Diana Estates condominiums a long time ago. But in November when I came here, he was making all this new, and it looks quite nice now. So look, they've done a good job. I think this time of morning is one of the best times to have a bit of a stroll around. It's not as hot, there's not as much traffic about, and you can have a look at things without all the hustle and bustle of it in a busy day. It's still warm. I reckon we're in the 20s already. So I think I'll walk to the end and then cut through the New Clark's area down 7 onto the beach and then back up Diana, and that'll do for my little morning walk. People getting fruit. That's one thing I should eat more of, fruit, but it's just never seem to get round to it. I eat a lot of fruit in England and veg. I don't know why I don't do it here. Just get myself a little birdie just to stroll along with. It's only a birdie of the coffee kind. 15 baht. Good name for a bar. Funny name. Bareback. Now a mate of mine, I know from England, has come out to Thailand, 6 months ago. And he's got himself a bar. And it's down this side here. Along from the D Hotel. He doesn't know I'm in Pattaya. But he knows I'm in Thailand, obviously. They'll probably see my videos, but he's not messaged me at all. So we're going to have a walk down now and have a look, walk past his bar. I don't think he'll be up. And just have a suss it out, see what the area's like, and then maybe later on in this trip I'll go and have a few beers with him. Fucking hell. How can I miss that mouth? I've never ever in my life been down this side. So I'm going to have a look. I don't know what the name of the Soi is, I'll have to ask. Oh, it's nice, is that? I hope there's no dogs. They seem to have culled all the dogs, you know. I seem to see many of them now. Oh, there's one there. Fucking hell. My cat, May? Ah, okay. So, Soi ชื่ออะไรครับ Soi ที่นี้ชื่ออะไรครับ
ซอยนิดา
Nick, yeah, but I can my diner.
ไม่ได้ต้องตอนนู้น
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So like that's going into a bit of a living area. So I'll have to re-film that intro. It must be that side. Take 2 on my friend's bar. It must be here, D apartment. Up there's a sign. Good old Owen, getting things wrong again. But I got a bit of extra footage there. So yeah, I've seen a few vloggers have done film on this D apartment. It looks alright, quite reasonably priced. I can't see him being up, but you never know. He said it's quite a busy site. Typical laundrettes, small bar here, JJ bar. I have to come down here one night. Like I say, I've never ever been down here in my life. Here we are, M&M bar. This is his bar. Here, got a loyalty card. I don't know if he lives above the bar or not, I've no idea. A number of other beer bars along this area behind me. So it could be worth coming with Rub-a-Dab-Dab and having a look. Something different. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
ที่รักซอยที่นี้ชื่ออะไรครับ
ซอย11เฉลิมพระเกียรติ
พูดช้าๆหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
ซอย10ซอย11
11
สาย3เฉลิมพระเกียรติ
thank you okay thank you
เข้าห้องก็ได้เข้าห้องก็ได้
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
อันนี้อะไรครับ
อันนี้ทุเรียน20
ทุเรียน
ข้าวเหนียว
ข้าวเหนียว ขี้เหนียวเนาะ
เฮ้ย
ข้าวเหนียว พูดเล่น so ข้าวเหนียว
ค่ะ
ทุเรียน
ใช่
ขนมนะ
ขนม
ขนมหวาน
ขนมหวาน
เอออั
อันนี้ขนมจีน
ขนมจีน
อืม
อันนี้อะไร
ขนมไทย
ขนมไทยอร่อยไหม
อร่อยสิ
and this is like jelly หวาน
หวาน
okay thank you มะม่วงนะ
มะม่วง
กินแล้ว
คือสิกินแล้ว
ใช่ oh dear stop telling lies Owen I'm not even had my breakfast yeah what a nice little soy I wouldn't eat one of them sandwiches in a plastic thing that's probably be sat there in the sun all the time. As my old mate Magoo used to say when we used to go to a city, we used to buy the old beef burgers from these guys at the corner of the ground, you know, like a cheap burger with onions. He used to call it botulism in a bun, and that's what that probably is. He's no longer here now, my Mr. Magoo. He passed away with multiple sclerosis. Here's a character. Again, a nice little interesting area where they live, but I'm not going to wander in there. They've got geese and chickens and that running about. A few little dogs. Yeah, what a nice interesting little place. Come back and explore this later in my trip. The Express Hotel. Probably the same company. Yeah, D Express 2, and that's the D apartments down there. What do I know? Got a bit of chilly but it's chilly wafting into my windpipe then. Bloody hell. People who've been to Thailand will know that experience. So I think this is coming out on 3rd Road. Anyone know what that building's called? Is it a hotel? Looks quite new. A little meow. Meow. Chú ở đây, meow chú ở đâyครับ. Do you like me? Hello. Ở đây á? Stan. Phun sai hả? Phù Yên. My daughter has a cat. I like cats. She has small cat.
Five. I get
You have 5? Ah, okay.
people not want keep here. I take.
Ah, and you feed, yeah? So I have 5 cats.
No baby operation.
Ah, no good. This 3rd Road, nah?
Huh?
3rd Road? Soi, here?
No, not first road.
3rd. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
ใช่ โอเคขอบคุณมากครับ This cat's rubbing all over against my leg. It's got Sudocrem on it now off my ankle. And the name of the cat was Satang, which is like the word for like a penny type of thing. Yeah, so this is 3rd Road, and if I can remember,